Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. Yes, it's me, it's Anna's Food Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes. And for the rest of my subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and your support. So in today's video, this is basically not a cooking video. It's a video that has been on my mind this season and I decided to share. And from the title of this video, you could tell what this video, like you could have a glimpse of what this video is all about. Yes. This season, we've been hearing about, you know, things going on. I don't want to mention the name because I heard YouTube is, doing some thing that is not funny. So I don't want to start mentioning the name. But this season we have an idea of what's going on. We have an idea of the outbreak, all right? So, and we're all advised to stay at home. When a situation like this arises and it got to the extent of isolating, practicing self-isolation, engaging in social distancing and all of that, taking this kind of precaution, that is not a child's play, is not what we should joke about. All right, and WHO has mandated every one of us to carry out some precautions, by washing our hands with soap and water, or as well sanitizing our hand with sanitizers, by keeping our environment clean, by doing one or two things, that could prevent this thing from coming close to us. So we have to adhere to the instructions. We have to do the ones we are mandated to do, and as well stay at home. Yes. So basically this season and this period, everybody's at home, everybody's chilling at home, everybody's practicing self-isolation, just to keep things in order, just to take that precaution. And I believe every one of you is also carrying out such instruction. Please, if you are not, start doing it. It's for our own good. It's for our own good. All right. So please take heed to instructions. By WHO. Like I said, it's for the betterment of all of us. Yes. They said prevention is better than cure. So we should prevent it. All right, we should just prevent it and not allow it to even come to us, not even thinking about the cure. We should prevent it at the beginning. So let's try our possible best to do everything we are asked to do. The truth is, it's going to come to pass. It's going to go. All right, everything that has a beginning must have an end. All right, so during the time of the likes, I don't want to mention them, they all came and they all passed. So this too shall also pass. So I want to encourage every one of us to keep calm and, take good care of yourselves. So in today's video, let me delve into what I have for you. I just want to enlighten us on the kind of food we should, take advantage of this season. That this whole thing is on. We have some immune boosting food, all right, which as sometimes we overlook. But the truth is, these foods and spices and herbs are so good to our health. They are so medicinal. So number one, vitamins, food that contain vitamins like fruits and vegetables. We should take advantage of these things, fruits and vegetables, all right? Ugu leaves, fruits, banana, orange, agbalumo, that is udara in Igbo language. We should mango. We should take these things. We should try to take foods that contains vitamins, because all food that contain vitamins, helps to boost the immunity. It helps to make us stronger. It helps to keep us away from, some funny diseases. And fruits and vegetables, are the way to go this season. Just Google foods that contains vitamins. They are more of fruits and vegetables. All right, they are packed with lots of vitamins, and this is also a season to take advantage of smoothies. Yes, smoothies, vegetable smoothies. Can do ugu smoothie, fruit smoothie, any kind of fruits, and also eat bananas this season. Like eat bananas this season. It's very, 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 very good. All right, bananas, orange, food that contains more of vitamin C, apples. All right, just take your time and eat these things, and also give to your children. And also another type of food I want to point out is herbs, spices, ginger, garlic. Make sure you add enough ginger and garlic to your food, all right? And also make ginger tea, all right? Ginger tea, they are very, very, very nice and medicinal, especially this season, all right? Uziza seed, like that is black pepper, negro pepper, that is oda seed. Just use it to make tea, you can mill it and, take like half spoon and to one cup of hot water, all right, and make it as a tea. You mustn't really cook it like you're using it to cook pepper soup. You can also take advantage of pepper soup. This is, pepper soup is spicy. Just try to take advantage of spicy things this season, and also reduce cold things this season. All these thing they call, I don't want to mention it, they are not good. They are not, they don't like things that are hot. So take your time and take teas that are, take them hot. Try to keep your body warm, hot. Reduce cold things, please. Cold drinks. We are fine. We love taking cold things, but this season, please, I urge you and beg you to reduce taking cold drinks. Anything that is cold, you don't need it at this season. What you need are things that are hot, hot tea, hot food, hot spices, add them to your dishes. Take ginger tea, turmeric with black pepper. When you're taking turmeric tea, add black pepper to it. All right, it's very important. Like I said, vegetables, fruits, these are the things you should take. Immune boosting food, you can also Google them and, check out for yourself, and leverage and take advantage of foods that I said that contains vitamins and also helps, that are also medicinal. Basically, it helps and medicinal, but sometimes, we like sweet things. We don't like taking all these things, but please, it's time. You need to take them. You need to take ginger tea. If it's grounded ginger, just put it in a hot water and drink it hot. Try to take hot things this season. We know it's not easy for us, but we have to do it because it's for our own betterment. It's for our own advantage, all right? And like I said, with time, all these things will just freeze away, all right? So just chill and practice, social distancing, self-isolation, and please stay at home as we are advised to stay at home. That's just basically the information I have for you today. In summary, take hot things, limit cold drinks or anything cold, snack on fruits and vegetables, add more of spices to your meal, your dishes, add more spices to your dishes. Take this, in fact, this is the season to take pepper soup, pepper soup is being taken hot. Cook pepper soup, add oda seed, uziza seed, all these hot spices, and take them. And please encourage your children to also take them, right? Banana, very important. That's basically what I have for you today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay safe. No shaking. We are safe. Just we have to, adhere to instructions and for our own betterment, like I said. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.